Everyone is in need of success. Success depends on so many things. How can we succeed in life? Don't bother about it. Here we have Shaza with a talk on foundation of success. Here she is.
Of school. The foundation of success. Why school matter? Hi all. Today may I talk to you about the significance of school in our lives. School is more than just a building. It's a foundation for growth, learning and success. Why school matter? Knowledge acquisition. School provides a structured environment for learning. Skill development. School helps to develop critical thinking, problem solving and communication skills. Benefits of education. Improved critical thinking, enhanced analytical skills, increased earning potential, educated individuals and higher salaries. Social mobility. Education breaks the cycle of poverty. Chance and solution. Accessibility. School ensure equal access for education. Teacher support to provide resource for effective teaching. School upon which we build our future. Let us value education, support our school, inspire our teacher. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Thank you.